Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm solving question number 5 from chapter 3. So this is a question. It says that write a Java program that generates a random number between 1 and 100. The user has to guess the number and the program provides feedback too high or too low until the correct number is guessed. Okay, so we need an input and we need a random number. So you have to import the class scanner and the class random as well, so that it will generate the random numbers for you. Here I made use of the scanner and I made use of the random number. Now we need two variables, one that stores the random number and the other one that gets the user input, which is the guess number. So int, let me use guess, and let's set it to 0. The initial guess is 0. Now we need another int. Let's call this one random number. So random number. So this random number, we are going to make use of this class random so that it will be able to generate random numbers for us. So I'm going to set is equal to random next okay, so here I'm going to put the number 100 and it's going to be plus 1. So this one is going to generate a random number for us between 1 and 100. Okay, so we have the two variables already. So now let's use the while loop. Okay, so while the guess is not equal to random number, so while the guess is not equal to the random number, and we know that we are getting the guess from the user, so guess is equal to input dot next int. So that's it. So while the guess is not equal to the random number and we are getting the guess from the input, so it says that if the number, even let me put a prompt to the user here. Okay, guess and number. So guess a number between 1 and 100. So I'm going to use the if statement as well. So if the guess is less than 50, you have to print to the user that it's too low, he or she should try again. So if the guess is less than 50, just like that, you print to the user too low. Try again. And else if the guess is greater than 50, should be too high. If guess is greater than 50, Let me use curves. Too high. Try again. Change the auto. So too high, too low. Try again. If that's not the case, then we have to print else I'm going to write congratulations, you have guessed the right number. So and that's it. So here, if the guess is not equal to the random number and we are getting the guess from the input, so if the guess is less than 50, we'll tell the user that it's too low, try again. Else if the guess is greater than 50, you have to print to the user that too high, try again. Else, so this is going to be when he or she gets the right answer or the right number, we're going to print congratulations, you have guessed the correct number. And notice all of this is in a while loop, so this loop will keep on iterating, to keep on repeating itself until the user gets the right number. So I'm going to give it a try and see. It says guess a number. Let me use 1. Too low, try again. 2. You keep on trying. Too low, try again. Let me say 78. So you keep on trying until you get the right number. So to keep on going until you get the right number. So I don't know the right number for now. So I'll keep on trying. So we can start from 1 till 100. So you know that the number is between 1 and 100. So that's it. And this is the code. Make sure you import the scanner and then the random class so that you'll be able to generate the random number. And here, this line 15, we have a random number as a variable, and this one we are getting a random number, and the random number is between 100 and 1, which is the same as between 1 and 100. So that's it. This is the code. You can pause and copy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.